Samantala, malinaw umano ang direksyon na ituloy ang paghahanda para sa kauna-unahang parliamentary election sa BARMM. Ito ang sinabi ni BARM Cabinet Secretary at spokesperson Maud Asnin Pendatun. Nakatakda rin anya ang pag-uusap ni BARM Interim Chief Minister Abdul Rauf Macacua at Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. hinggil sa usapin. Ang hindi lamang nito tiyak ay kung sa Malacanang ito magaganap at kung napag-usapan na ba ang issue sa pagdalo ng Pangulo sa BARM Foundation Day araw ng Miyerkules. Sinagot rin ito ang issue ng bagong districting law. Narito ang pahayag ng opisyal.
From what I know, the Chief Minister was supposed to go to Manila shortly after nitong program. As a follow-up doon sa pagpasa ng redistricting law to meet with the President. Kaso nagkaroon ng changes dahil si President na mismo yung pupunta. So I'm not sure kung meron pang magaganap na meeting or separate to that or baka mapag-usapan na rin nila kung ano yung supposedly pag-uusapan nila dun sa meeting sa Manila. But lahat po nito ay in relation to the preparation for the election. Okay, so yung pagpasa ng redistricting law was one of the few remaining puzzles na hinihintay natin for us to be ready for the preparations of the election. Of course, marami pa akong kailangang gawin, especially from the part of COMELEC, para mailatag at maihanda yung mga dapat ihanda para makapag-halalan na ho tayo within this year. Yung redistricting law na pinasa, it answers many of the questions or the reasons kung bakit na-struck as unconstitutional yung previous na version ng batas. Ngayon, of course, we understand that yung iba may different take on it. At until such time na wala akong, for example, order from the Supreme Court saying otherwise, and we stick and we follow kung ano po yung recently passed. And we trust the collective wisdom of the Parliament na yung pagbalangkas nila ay it answers, it serves as a solution doon sa naging problema previously.